During a special event at its plant in Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy, at the beginning of December 2017, Lamborghini officially unveiled the world's fastest SUV, called Urus. The new Lamborghini SUV was named after the primal bull, so the appearance of the model is intended to resemble this hardy and very powerful animal. The serial crossover Lamborghini Urus 2022 is designed in the style of the concept car with the same name, which was presented to the public in 2012. The car has a brutal appearance, which makes it clear that in front of us is a powerful car with a sporty character. The Urus has a complex front bumper, whose side sections of air intakes merge with the frameless grille, which has a pattern in the form of a large honeycomb. The Lamborghini Urus 2022 in its new body looks more like a supercar, with a special version of off-road available for the car. This modification has slightly different bumpers and also boasts a higher geometric cross-country capability and additional underbody protection. There are no questions about the interior of the Italian SUV. Everything is very strict and expensive. The specialists of Lamborghini actively use leather, Alcantara, aluminum, as well as decorative inserts of wood and carbon fiber. The new 2022 Lamborghini Urus's angular front panel with 6 angled ventilation deflectors has a rather complex layout and a delineated central console. On the latter, 2 large displays are placed here at once. The upper is given for the needs of the multimedia system Li 3, which has full integration with smartphones while managing its functionality through a system of voice commands. The lower screen controls the climate. The central tunnel of the Lamborghini Urus has a bright red engine start button, which all current supercars of the Italian brand have. The buttons for controlling the gearbox and the selection of controlling electronics modes are placed around it. Front seats have an electric adjustment in 6 directions by default. Chairs with adjustment in 9 directions are offered at an extra charge. As for the second row, either a 3-seat sofa or 2 separate seats with individual electric adjustments can be installed in the rear. The new model Lamborghini Urus 2022 is based on Volkswagen concern MLB Evo modular platform based on which Audi Q7, Porsche Cayenne, and Bentley Bentayga are built. The world's fastest SUV can reach 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds, and the 121 miles per hour target is reached in 12.8 seconds after launch. The car can be accelerated to a maximum of 190 miles per hour. According to the passport, the car needs 12.7 liters of fuel per 60 miles of run in the hybrid mode. The Urus has 6 driving modes: Strada, Road, Sport and Casa, both racing; Sabbia, sand driving; Terra, dirt driving; and Neve, snow driving. You can switch between them with a special selector located in the center tunnel.